Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Netflix error code UI-800-3, quick fix step-by-step clearly. First, close Netflix completely on your device so it is not running in the background. Next, check your internet connection by opening any website or another streaming app. If the internet is slow, restart your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds. Plug the modem and router back in and wait until all the lights return to normal. Now, restart your streaming device or TV by turning it off and unplugging it for 30 seconds. Plug the device back in and turn it on again to clear temporary glitches. Open Netflix and see if the error is gone before changing any other settings. If you still see UI-800-3, sign out of Netflix from the app settings if possible. If you cannot access settings, use the Netflix deactivation link on a phone or PC if your device supports it. After signing out, restart the device one more time to refresh the Netflix session. Sign back into Netflix carefully and confirm your email and password are correct. If the error continues, clear the Netflix app data or cache from your device settings menu. On Android TV, go to Settings, Apps, Netflix, then choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. On Amazon Fire TV, go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, Netflix, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. On game consoles, fully quit Netflix and restart the console to achieve a similar refresh. If clearing data is not available, uninstall the Netflix app from the device. Restart the device again after uninstalling to remove leftover temporary files. Reinstall Netflix from the official app store on your device only. Open Netflix after reinstalling and sign in again to rebuild a clean app profile. Now check for system updates on your device and install any available updates. Also check for Netflix app updates in the App Store and update if needed. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off because it can trigger UI-800-3. Make sure the device date and time are set automatically to avoid login and security errors. If the issue happens only on one profile, try switching to another profile to test. If it fails on all profiles, reset your network settings if your device provides that option. For smart TVs, do a power cycle by unplugging the TV for 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. As a last quick fix, perform a factory reset only if other steps failed and you know your login details. After the reset, set up the device again, install Netflix, and test playback right away. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.